Hey good people, what's up? Hope you are doing well. So, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create Facebook's Messenger poll. It's super easy. Sometimes we need to create poll on Messenger group. So don't worry about that because through this short video I will show you the exact process. So, let's jump into the video. First open your Messenger app. Then open your group. After that tap on the four dots. Then tap on polls. Here first type your poll question. After that tap on add option. And here you have to type your poll option. After type one option then again tap on add option to add more. And following the same way, you can add more option on your poll question. When you're done with your poll option, then tap on Create Poll. As you can see, the poll question has been created. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. That is all for today. Thanks for watching the full video.